Today we're going to cook beef watermelon sinigang. We just have to pressurize this beef. I just add the bay leaves and a salt on this one, and we'll just have to boil and pressurize it for 30 minutes. Here it's boiling, and I'm just removing the unwanted blood and unwanted unhealthy, what you call this one, excess fats of the beef. And then we'll just have to continue to pressurize it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of pressurizing, I'm adding these onions, just normal cut onions, and ginger. Then I add the tomato, fresh tomato, 1 piece. I'll just cut it in normal piece, and I add sinigang mix. I like it hot, spicy. So just let it boil, and I add a little bit salt depending on your taste, if you like more salty. So here I add watermelon, the watermelons. I just cut it into cubes, triangle cube, not cubes, triangle one, and then just let it boil and simmer. I'm sure this is very, very tasty. Here we will add the last piece, kangkong. I want some green leafy vegetables in my sinigang, so I add the kangkong. You can add more vegetables if you like, but I want to taste the sourness of the watermelon, so I just focus more on watermelon. Enjoy! The second part is squid calamari. These are the ingredients, and I think you can read it. No need for me to explain further details of the ingredients. It's just simple calamari, squid calamaris. This is good for appetizer before the main course. Enjoy watching it and learning from it. Third one is the shrimp broccoli with mushroom, with carrots and potato. The first one we will put the ghee. We are using a ghee here. It's like more a butter, but it's a ghee, vegetable ghee. to fry the garlic. Just saute the garlic until it's a little bit golden brown. Not fully golden brown. I just like to mix everything, and then just add the onion in normal cut. Just mix it all. I don't like my garlic to be overcooked, so I like to add it as it is because we're cooking vegetables. So just mix well. Here I'm adding 1 cube of shrimp nor, and then I'm just mixing it all together with the onions and garlic. Now I'm adding the carrots and the potato. This is an easiest part. I just like to incorporate and mix well. I don't like my vegetables and to be fully overcooked. Here I added also the mushrooms. So I'm mixing it all together so they will cook all together. I like my vegetables a little bit crunchy, so I don't like it to be well done or overcooked. And now I'm adding the barbecue sauce. Instead of oyster, I'm adding barbecue sauce. It's more a little bit sweeter than the oyster. This Mamacita's barbecue sauce I added. And let it cook for a while. We will cover this one just for 2-3 minutes so that the carrots and the potato will get cooked fully. After 2 to 3 minutes, I just added the black pepper. This is ground black pepper. So it is the spices. This is the only spices I added here. I didn't add more extra whatsoever because there's already a shrimp cubes. And I want to taste the shrimp on the vegetables. So I just mix. I'm trying to taste it if either the salt is okay or not okay. add the shrimp. It's a fresh shrimp. Fresh shrimp. And just clean it. And we'll mix it. Mix. People may think why I'm using the pressure cooker for cooking the vegetables. I like it this way, depending on your mood where you want to cook your food, right? Now I'm adding the broccoli. Shrimp with broccoli. Oops, another hand coming out. I'll throw it. So just mix this all together. Mix. Isn't it lovely to look? 100% sure you should try this one. It's very tasty. Just cook it for 2 minutes maximum. Then we're done. Enjoy! Now I'm just covering it up just to simmer it a little. See how beautiful it is? Thank you for watching.